I'm going to show you a Jedi mind trick to stop time on a dime anytime you want. Literally, you're going to be able to freeze time with your mind. Okay, take a deep breath in, close your eyes, and just allow the world to race around you. Notice how it's moving with all its quickness and just let it do its thing. Start to tune into yourself as you allow the world to be as it is on the outside. Feel yourself. Let yourself be at the eye of that storm at the center. And start to tune in and allow your breath to come to you a little bit slower. Allow that breath to flow to you effortlessly, slowly. Start to tune into a feeling of slowness and stillness in your body. Search for a feeling of stillness. Don't think it, just feel the stillness. Concentrate on that stillness calmly. And just notice how in this stillness, time can stop. You can step out of the river of time and just feel the timeless stillness of this moment. Allow that timelessness to start to expand and deepen. And take a deep breath. Open your eyes, consciously bring that slow, timeless stillness back with you. Notice how you froze time. Practice that regularly. Notice how you have that ability and meditate on a regular basis to create that and bring that into your life more consistently. And search the mental level on YT for more like this.